Hey there, it's another video tutorial from Catch Me If You Can. I've already logged into the system and I've gone over to the right side of the menu where it says Alerts. And this time around we're going to talk about fences. Our virtual fences inside Catch Me If You Can are very much like a real fence in the physical world. You set them up as a boundary, and then the system will keep track of when a device goes outside of that boundary, and depending on the settings that you put in, will notify you of when that device has crossed that boundary. Now in this example, I've selected my daughter's cell phone and I'm going to add a new fence. In this fence, I'm just going to call Home and then select Next. Now just for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to put 1600 Broadway in Denver, Colorado as the home address. Then I'm going to set a radius and I'm going to leave it at 0.1 mile and select Next. Now I need to tell the system when I want this fence to be operational, when it's turned on. The hours it's turned on are the hours that I'll get notifications about the device going outside of the fence. But of course, I'll only get the notification if the device has gone more than 1/10 of a mile outside of that radius. And what I'm most interested in knowing is if the device leaves the fence in the middle of the night. And finally, I get to tell the system how I'd like to be notified when that device goes outside the barrier of that fence during the times that I specified. I want both email and to be able to see it in the If You Can manager. And of course, you can create multiple fences with all sorts of different times. And finally, here's the notification area of If You Can, and this shows you what those notifications look like when that device goes outside the fence by the radius that you set within the times you set. That's how to set up a fence in Catch Me If You Can. Thanks for watching, and be looking for more video tutorials from If You Can.